This dance is called Rose of My Heart. It's a 48 count, one wall, intermediate level line dance, and it is a little waltz. So we're starting off on our left foot. We're going to make a basic waltz step forward, but with a quarter turn left on it. So quarter turn, close, close. Basic back waltz, right foot leading. And repeat. Quarter turn on that waltz step, and a basic back. Nice and easy to start the dance. Do those sections once more then, half on the left. 4, 5, 6, turn, close, close, back, basic, turn waltz, back waltz. 2 twinkles, left foot leading, right twinkle. Nice and easy up to there. So let's just add that little bit on. Basic with a turn, left foot leading. 4, 5, 6, turn waltz, back waltz, turn waltz, back waltz, twinkle, twinkle. Now the next 2 sections are repeats of each other. So you're going to step the left forward, rondo sweep the right around. So a nice big sweep around as you make half a turn to your left. Rock forward on the right, recover your weight on the left, step forward on that right. And we repeat. So we step forward on the left, rondo sweep the right around, rock forward on the right, recover, step forward on that right. So it's that one section repeated. Let's just do that little bit once more, stepping forward on the left. 4, 5, 6, step, sweep, forward rock, step, step, sweep, forward rock, step. Add that to the top. Quarter turn into this waltz, left foot leading. 4, 5, 6, turn waltz, back waltz, turn waltz, back waltz, twinkle, twinkle, step, sweep, forward rock, step, step, sweep, forward rock, step. Into a couple of vines. So we're going to vine to the left, side, behind, side. Point the right forward, sweep the right around and behind the left. Repeat with the right foot leading. So we're going to vine to the right, side, behind, side. Point the left forward, sweep it round, behind the right. So just do those sections once more then. Vine to the left, left foot leading, 4, 5, 6. Side, behind, side, point, sweep. Side, behind, side, point, sweep. Add that to the top. Quarter turning waltz step off on the left. 4, 5, 6, turn waltz, back waltz, turn waltz, back waltz, twinkle, twinkle, step, sweep, forward rock, step, step, sweep, forward rock, step, side, behind, side, point, sweep, side, behind, side, point, sweep. To end the dance, step forward on the left, turn a half left as you step back on the right, step the left beside the right. Basic waltz back. So that set of steps once more. Stepping forward on the left into that half turn. 4, 5, 6. Step, turn, close, basic back. End of dance when we get to that point. So let's add that onto the top, all the way through. Quarter turn on that waltz. Left foot leading. 4, 5, 6. Turn waltz, back waltz, turn waltz, back waltz, twinkle, twinkle, step, sweep, forward rock, step, step, sweep, forward rock, step, side, behind, side, point, sweep, side, behind, side, point, sweep. Step, turn, close, place it back. So that is your dance. One wall dance, nice and easy. So let's have a go doing 2 walls, just so you can see how they join together. Quarter turn on that waltz. Left foot knee kick. 4, 5, 6. Turn waltz and back. Turn waltz and back. Twinkle, twinkle. Step, sweep. Forward rock, step, step, sweep. Forward rock, step. Side, behind, side. Point, sweep. Side, behind, side. Point, sweep. Step, turn, close, back and basic. Quarter turn and back. Quarter turn and back. Twinkle, twinkle. Step, sweep. Forward rock, step, step, sweep. Forward rock, step. Side, behind, side. Point, sweep. Side, behind, side. Point, sweep. Step, half turn, close, back basic. So that is your dance and your walk through. Let's give it a go to a bit of music. Four, 5, 6, turn, back basic. Turn waltz, back basic. Twinkle, twinkle. Step, sweep. Forward rock, rock. Step, sweep. Forward rock, step. Side, behind, side. Point, sweep. Side, behind, side. Point, sweep. Step, turn, close, back basic. Turn waltz, back. Turn waltz, back. Twinkle, twinkle. Step, sweep. Forward rock, step, step, sweep. Forward rock, step. Side, behind, side. Point, sweep. Side, behind, side. Point, sweep. Step, turn, close, back basic. Waltzes. Step, sweeps.
When sorrow holds you in her arms of prayer,
Vines.
the raindrops that fall from your eyes, your smile is the sun come to earth for a day. You brighten the darkest of skies. You are the rose of my heart. You are the love of my life. Flowers not fading or falling apart. If you're cold, let my love keep you warm. Rose of my heart. Hard times are easy. What do I care? There's nothing I'd change if I could. The tears and the laughter are things that we share. Your hand in mine makes all times good. You are the rose of my heart. You are the love of my life. Flowers
you managed that one?